Good evening, people of the Philippines. So I'm here now. We have already finished first coating. So here, did you see up and down? So first coating na po tayo. Ito yung ginagamit natin, cement TC4000. So mayroon siyang 700 grams to 780 ml at sa kanyang Paris na hardener E.40, mayroon siyang 30 grams. So kailangan mayroon ito dahil ito yung kanyang pares. So yung isa 4,000, garantisado to dahil pamper talaga ito. So good for coating belt conveyor. Ito na, tapos na.